My name is Jimmy and I'll be talking about new features in SEMA Script 2017. Let's begin. So there are 6 features I want to talk about today, starting from pet start to async and await. Pet start and pet end. So this is the petting functions that allows users to have string in a chosen length, and extra space will be filled up with paddings. So give an example. Pet end. If we do this, that this string will be padded with man so that it becomes 6 length. Next one is object.values. So basically this function returns all the values of the object. So as you can see, it's just returning the values of each properties of an object. Next one, object entries is similar to object values, whereas it returns key and value. As you can see, it returns key and value, not just the value. Next one is object get own property descriptors. It returns the property descriptors of an object. As you can see, there's an object called object1. There's a property, and when you call get own property descriptor of this object, you can see that you can access the object property by using this method. You have to use this method because you cannot access the object property descriptors directly using your object. So you have to use this method to get the properties. Next one is trailing commas. Trailing commas is basically adding a comma at the end of the last attribute. So using this one, your git will be cleaner. Your git diff will be cleaner because you're not, when you add a property after the last attribute, you just need to add one line of code instead of editing one line and adding one line. That will give you 2 lines of editing. So async and await is just a different syntax to work with promises. So this is an example of async and await. So whenever the function has an async keyword in front of the function, the compiler stops at await keyword and then wait until the function after await keyword is done, and then it goes to another line and it stops again and then await keyword and so on. So it's pretty much the same as the old version of the syntax. Instead they use then function. So this code is executed after this code is done. So there's another example for async and await. This function is written in async function and await keyword. Actually this function is from this line of code, which is pretty long, and it's been reduced by using async and await keyword. So it's better way of writing the code in terms of readability. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.